There is this popular quote that at 30, we are old enough to look back and young enough to look forward. Is it because we are in the crossroads that turning 30 is a big deal? I understand that 20s is supposed to be very, very happening, free-spirited, and we have lesser responsibilities. But what is the problem if turning 30 means evolving to become a better version of yourself?
Look, turning 30 is not that big a deal.
Oh, really? Is that how you felt when you turned 30?
Why, God, why?
So today I'm going to be discussing two sides of turning 30. One, some of the positive qualities that I noticed in myself after I turned 30. And on the other hand, not so positive qualities about turning 30. So the first quality that I did observe in myself is that I don't feel the peer pressure anymore. Say when I was younger, I always feel like I needed to impress other people or I need to seek their validation or try to fit into a particular group, be it among friends. And even at workplace, I always felt the need to be very cheerful and bubbly all the time. But now I just don't feel that anymore. I think I've just like say for example, if I'm happy, then I'm just happy. If I'm grumpy or if I'm anything else, then I'm just in my own zone. I'm kind of quiet and in my own zone. And this is just so liberating to just be with your mood, whatever you are. And there is no need for other people to validate you. The second quality that I did observe about myself is that I don't really judge people anymore. Like when I was younger, and if someone warned me about another person, then I would just like completely stay away from the other person and avoid the person. Or even if there is a situation where someone managed to irk me off, or piss me off, then I would just not have a great opinion about the other person. But now, even if someone warns me about a person, I do take it, I do take the warning, but even if I'm interacting with them or so, I just don't judge that person based on that one warning. I sort of interact with them very, very casually, which means it has made me less critical of people. I don't really carry too much negativity about people, and it has made me so much more accepting of people. The third quality that I noticed about myself is that I have a lot more realistic expectations from people. I'll give you an example. It was my friend's birthday a few months ago, and I know she's particularly had a rough year. And on her birthday, I wanted to sort of do something special or plan something special for her. So I did, and it sort of, she was very, very happy. And she was so apologetic the next day after her birthday that she couldn't call me and thank me. But honestly, if it was like 3 or 4 years back or even 7, 8 years back, I would have been pissed and I would have been upset that I put in so much effort and the other person didn't just call me and thank me. But it isn't like that anymore. I don't really judge her based on that one situation. I understand that, yes, she's been busy, and considering that she's been in my life for almost 20 years, we've been friends, I don't really argue about that particular circumstance. And more than that, I think I sort of give I really didn't expect too much from her. All I wanted to do was just wanted her to have a good day. But this isn't the case. If it was 5 or 6 years back, I would want the person to thank me immediately, and I would seek all the attention from that person right away. That isn't the case anymore. These are top 3 qualities that I thought were amazing. And now to talk about the not so positive qualities. First is I'm sort of rigid. I don't explore as much. For example, say when I was younger, I felt like I wanted to try all the restaurants in the town. But now I am like, I went to this place and the food was really good there. So I would prefer to go back to the same place. I like that sense of predictability where you know what will be offered on your plate, and I don't think I'm really as much experimental. The second quality is that I'm like super stuck up on time now. Say for example, I plan to finish these 3 activities for the day, and if I don't finish it, then I'm like super stressed about it. I think I need to chill a little, or I need to plan a lot more realistically. So time management is something that I need to work on myself. The third aspect is coming to your physical body. We have always led a sedentary lifestyle. Considering that we are always working on our laptop. Earlier when I did that, I felt like I didn't put on weight too quickly, but after I turned 30, if I sat for long hours, I did sense that I was putting on weight. So yeah guys, so get more active and be a lot more physically active and do your regular workout. The third quality that I noticed is that it's good to take responsibilities with family, but I feel like I take too many responsibilities, and when something doesn't go as planned, I sort of blame myself for it, and this is something I need to definitely change about myself. These are some of the interesting qualities that I thought were great to share. If you have any such qualities, then do share it in the comment section below. It would be super interesting to know. And if you did find my video interesting, then do check out my other videos. Like the last video, particularly with my Ava, was super interesting, and I also had done a couple of videos on relationships, and I had some real couples speaking about it. So I try to keep my videos as candid as possible, so do check it out, and if you like it, then you subscribe to my channel. I'm really sorry about all that background noise. It's the eve of Diwali, and it's just that. Wish you all a very happy Diwali. Have a great week ahead.